Hari Om, begin each day listening to the most auspicious sound in the universe. Yoga of Knowledge, Chapter 2, Shloka number 23. Weapons cleave it not, fire burns it not, water moistens it not, wind dries it not.
Chapter 2, Shloka 23. Nainam chindandi shastrani, nainam dahati pavakaha, na chainam kledayantyapah, na soshayati marutah.
Chapter 2, Shloka 23. Lord explains why the self is changeless. Earlier we had equated change with death. The death of the previous state is the birth of the new state. When the childhood dies, youth is born. These are the different stages of the body, which is different from the self. In the relative realm, all our knowledge is by contrast. We can understand tall as being opposite of short. Light is explained by comparing it with darkness. The unseen is explained in the terms of the seen, and thereby the unknown becomes fully indicated. An unknown thing merely defined in itself remains unknown as before. In this shloka, the changeless, immutable self is described in terms of the ever-changing and mutable world, which is familiar to all of us. The self cannot be cut by weapons, burnt by fire, moistened by water, or dried by air. These are the known methods of destruction or change. The principle of change is that no instrument can destroy an element subtler than itself. Subtlety is defined in terms of pervasiveness. Among the 5 great elements, that is space, air, fire, water and earth, space is the subtlest and the earth least subtle or gross. A weapon or sword made out of earth cannot cut water, which is subtler than earth. Self or the Atman is the very cause of the subtlest element space, and hence cannot be destroyed by any grosser instrument. Fire can burn all things other than its fiery nature. Fire consumes all things in space. Space cannot be consumed by fire. Then how can fire consume the cause of space, the self? Since the self is all-pervading and one homogeneous mass, therefore it does not have any molecular spaces, so water cannot wet it. Similarly, since there is no moisture molecules in the self, it cannot be dried by wind. So the self is changeless. More in the next shloka, in the next video. Free book and e-book of the Holy Gita, commentary by Swami Chinmayananda, available. To understand Gita, join Chinmay Mission study group in your area. There are over 300 Chinmay Mission centers in the world. Kindle Life is the first text prescribed in the scheme of study by Swami Chinmayananda himself. Watch Ranjod Kalra's videos on Kindle Life online. See this video clipping again and again till you can answer the following questions.